Hello YouTubes! Today I've got a pretty big unboxing for you. I've been super busy. I've got a lot of boxes and packages piling up coming from all over the place, so I figured, hey, let's do an unboxing today and open some of this stuff and put it where it's got to go. First and foremost, we got Stiltbeast Studios, a favorite of mine, a favorite of the Haunt fams. Let's see what we got coming from Alan and Stiltbeast today. I ordered this a while back. Alan was doing the live streams. He was showing new products. So thank you, Stacy, because I think she's the one that made this for me. They did a custom length for me. All right. Invoice, we don't need that. Check this out. Uh-oh, oh no. What did I drop? Okay, so Shannon sent some more goodies. Check it out. We got a little lizard, gecko type of lizard. We got a little horny toad lizard. That's pretty cool. Ooh, a little scorpion. We can find a little use for him. He's pretty cool. I totally didn't expect that. Again, Shannon got me again. I just love Alan and Shannon, top shelf people. But they were doing custom hoods, and I love this color, this copper color. I had them do me an extra long tail because I want to use this for my APOC costume. So check that bad boy out. Let's throw it on for you guys. Oh, there's a little snap and everything. What is it? Okay, everything's sewn. So it's an extra long hood. Check that out. Pretty freaking cool, huh? We can distress it, and we're going to use this for my APOC costume. So I'll go with my arm and everything else. So what do you guys think of that? Pretty cool, huh? So now we got us a Lyra pipe hood. I'm loving it. It already feels great. It's got a cool little cover over my head, my eyes. I think it fits perfect. I really like it. We'll distress it later. So kudos to you. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Stacy. As always, Stiltbeast kills it every time, and this thing is just awesome. I mean, it's got a nice shiny copper where this thing's going to take distressing super well. So thank you, Alan. Thank you, Stacy. Thank you, Shannon. We got that to go. All right. We've got a, let's do Haunted Hills Productions. I've got a Haunted Hills production box here. They are a haunted house in Lake Station, Indiana, so they are fellow Hoosiers. They also have a YouTube channel, which I will link below. They do a lot of live streams from their haunt. So I went ahead, I was looking at their website because they build props as well as do a haunted house. And seeing as they were fellow Hoosiers, I wanted to get some love and pass on to my fellow Hoosiers. So I went ahead and ordered this from them. And it took about 6 weeks to get it because they're pretty busy right now with haunt season in full gear. They're getting ready to open. They are going to open this year, so let's see what they sent us. All right, so we got Haunted Hills Production. Got a little sticker. Sign up now for the Haunt Pass. So they got some haunt information. So that's pretty cool. We'll end up sticking that in our cabinet. All right, we got our little thing. Personal note, personal thank you note, which is super cool. Thank you, Haunted Hills Production. Justin, Devin, everybody there. Okay, we got some paper. Oh man, already cool. This thing's gonna be heavy. All right, check out this straight jacket. This is the maximum security straight jacket. This is awesome. It's got the long crotch strap. How freaking cool is that? It's been torn, it's been distressed. I'm really liking that. Don't know exactly how I'm going to use it, but it's super cool. We'll have to do a little try on later. But this is just freaking great. I went ahead and ordered a large, or an extra large. I'm a tall guy, I'm about 6'1", so I figured give me a little more room to struggle in it. I mean, it's got the straps, it's got everything. How freaking cool is that? So thank you, Haunted Hills Production. I'm really looking forward to getting some use out of this. I will find use for this in my haunt somehow. So, super cool. It'll at least look cool hanging on a hanger on the wall, so that's pretty awesome. And again, about 6 weeks to get it. They do all their own distressing and stuff, because it's pretty cool, and a lot of times they live stream it on air, so you can actually see what you're getting on air. I've got some packages that took me a while to get here. These are from the Czech Republic. There is a website called DraculaClothing.com. They do a lot of advertising on Facebook, and that's how I found them. So I had bought a couple items from them, worked out great, and this last one was a disaster. I ordered a pair of pants in the same size I had ordered before, and they absolutely did not fit. They were horrendous. They were tiny as hell. So I've got a couple of corsets for April. Got a nice purple one, and their corsets are beautiful too. I love everything they make, but man, the pants were an issue. So if you're going to order from them, you want to know your sizes, and you want to go ahead and email them first. So this is the corset. And they're really reasonable. If you pick up a couple of pieces a year, I think the corsets were 30 bucks a piece, or for a cincher, a waist cincher. Just beautiful, great stuff. DraculaClothing.com. I'll link their website below as well. So this is really cool. And all their stuff is beautiful, feels great. So that's April's. Here's a replacement pair of pants I ordered. Again, it took about, with the COVID going on, about 3 months for the return of this, and then a bigger size, and I swapped out a corset for a different color, because they sent me 2 of the same color, but the pants were great. Just again, beautiful fabric stuff. I really like them, and I'll put these on in a second and try these out once I get everything else open, make sure they fit, because otherwise they're going to go back, and they already look shorter on me than they need to be, so this may be another debacle. We're going to find out in a minute. I've had luck with one pair of pants, with the other pair of pants, no luck. So as well, I also ordered a jacket because it's cool here on October's. So I went ahead and ordered a jacket in the same style of the pants, and again, the jacket was really reasonable. I think it was like 89 bucks. They constantly run 20% off sales. They send you emails, you sign up for them. They advertise on Facebook, they're there all the time. It's like everything they make is just freaking beautiful. So this will be the coat that I ordered from them. Or actually, it's a jacket. Their coats will have zip-ups. Their jackets do not zip up, but you can still wear them in the wintertime. So this is, I think, the Pirate Jacquard jacket. And of course, it's 90 degrees outside, and we're trying on jackets. And I got the size 3X, and it fits great. Okay, that's perfect. Comes down right to the wrists. It's got the wide sleeves. There are no zippers. This is a jacket, so you can wear it out to dinner, to anywhere, to a haunt. Man, it's nice and comfy. The 3X fits me perfect. Like I said, I'm about 6'1", about 190 pounds. Let's try these pants on, see if these pants fit. Let's do that. All right, YouTubes, tragedy has struck again. They sent me back the same damn pair of 34 pants that I sent them. They were supposed to send me a 36. They're horrific. Look at this stuff, man. They're beautiful pants, don't fit worth a damn. Make sure you email them your sizes, your waist sizes, American sizes first, because this is just pathetic. I mean, look at the high water floods. If somebody can fit a size 34, I will put these in a box and send them to you. Horrendous. Do not order pants from them unless you email them first ahead of time. I ordered a 36. They sent me back the 34 I sent them, which is way too small. We're done. No more pants from them. Okay, YouTube, so you saw it here first. The pants were an epic fail. They did not fit again the second time. The first time I ordered pants from them, they fit great, no problem. The return process is 2 months long by the time it sits in customs, so it's kind of buyer beware on that. The jacket fits great, it's beautiful. My other jacket fit great, it's beautiful. Pants are problematic, so buyer beware. Email them first with your size if you're going to try and get pants from them. Everything else is fit April, and everything else is fit me, with pants are problematic, so buyer beware. But beautiful stuff. So our next package comes all the way from Australia down under, from our friend of the show, Ezekiel Bradshaw. He sent us this box. I have no idea what's in it, so we're going to find out together. Top 5 things I know about Australia. Number 1, kangaroos. Number 2, Mad Max. Number 3, Olivia Newton-John. Number 4, everything in Australia will try and kill you. So, we need to suit up and figure out what the hell is in this box and be smart about it so we don't get killed by Australia. So, let's suit up. Okay, folks, out of precaution, I've cleared the table. We're going to open this box, and hopefully nothing jumps out at us or tries to kill us. We'll see what happens. Okay, Australia, what do you got for us? I don't know, I see packing. What could it be? Alright, we're getting close. Oh, I don't think we're gonna die. Oh my god. Ezekiel, are you freaking crazy? Check it out! A whole box of Tim Tams. Look at that! Oh my god! Oh, look at that! You got some swag. Oh, don't tear the sticker! Don't tear the sticker, Tim Tams. Well, these probably been sitting in customs for a month. Ghastlies. Very cool. Thank you, Ezekiel. That's very cool. More Ghastlies. We're gonna hang these on our on my cabinet on the inside with all my haunt orders. Alright, kind of cool. I don't think we're going to die. Alright, we got Tim Tams, the treat from down under. We got Murray River Salted Caramel. That's pretty cool. Everybody loves salted caramel. Okay, we got Makuna Manuka honey. That's new to me. I never heard of Tim Tams before. I know Alan loves them. Okay, we've got double coat chocolate. Tim Tams. Well, we got snacks for months. Check that out. And we've got white chocolate made with 3 layers. How super cool, man. Thank you, Ezekiel. Thanks for hooking us up here at Cobwebs and Candlesticks. A big thank you to Ezekiel from down under. We're going to enjoy these. So we got to do, we got one more box we're going to do. It's from Unknown Origins, or Unknown Effects Origins. And let me get that clear. We'll get that up here. We'll open that box. Okay, YouTubes, our last box is from Unknown Origins Effects. They are out of Tennessee. This is David Cowger. This guy does amazing work, man. I'm going to link his YouTube channel below. He's a small channel. Let's help him grow. Let's give him some subs and some love. He's got a very cool line of masks and everything else he makes. I was just super excited when I saw these. I thought they were amazing. I thought there's nothing else like them that I've seen on the market. And I thought they were super cool. So I knew, oh man, Cobwebs had to have these. These are freaking awesome. Like I said, he shipped fast. He made them on the spot. They were great. They're awesome. Oh man, they're already so cool looking. All right. So what we have here is his food line. These are great. They're, he went ahead and sculpted these. They're latex, foam filled. How cool is that? A little rotten apple in green. How sharp is that thing? Oh man, that is so freaking cool. These are just amazing. He's got a whole food line he's coming out with. I think these are just freaking knockout products. I've never seen anything like this on the market. He's got a little creepy mushroom. How cool is the little mushroom? Oh my god, that is so freaking gnarly. He's soft and squishy. I think that's super cool. I love the mushroom. Guys, he is just killing it with these sculpts. These are so freaking fun. Here's his little pestilent pear. Look at the little gnarly face on the pear. He's got little stitches in him, and he's squishy so he won't hurt anybody. Look how amazing that is. You guys gotta find David. Go share him some love. It's Unknown Origins Effects. Just super cool, man. He's got his little taters. Look at the little tater. How heinous is that little tater with little warts on it and stuff? The little gnarly bloody mouth. That is so freaking cool, man. I just love that. You think you can sit up? Sit up, brother. Okay. Okay, I think I ordered 2 of the taters. Again, just a super cool, unique product, and man, he just banged these things out so fast. And here's the other little tater. How freaking cool is that? Little evil fruits and vegetables. Oh, these are just freaking amazing. That just makes my day. I think we got one more. Oh yeah, okay. We got one more. The apples were so cool, the little rotten apples. I had to get one in green and one in red. How freaking cool is that? It's got a little skull in the front. He just sculpted these out again. They're foam-filled latex. They're smushy. I thought these were so cool. Brother Vic Springston, the Trio of Terror, has some. If you guys get a chance, go check out the Trio of Terror. My brother Vic Springston on his channel and Dave at the Weird Kid Show channel. Show them some love. We're cranking out projects, you guys, all the way till Halloween. I knew these were coming, and I was so excited about them. I figured, man, if you got a little evil apple, a little evil fruits and vegetable family, you've got to have a cool bowl to put them in. So I whipped up a little bowl for these guys to hang out in. I went ahead and took one of my old bowls from the shop, and I put some wooden spikes in it, and not E6000. I 5-minute DEFCON epoxied them in. I burnt the bowl and distressed it a little bit. So I think we're going to put these guys in a little bowl and give them a home. Come here, Tater. But again, I thought these were just so freaking cool, man. Look at the little gnarly faces on them. The pear, the tater, and the apple. So look at that little evil family right there. How great is that? That is so freaking cool. You guys, I swear, I'm gonna put the link for David's company down below. Go show him some love on YouTube. And I thank you guys for watching and putting up with all this. I had a lot of stuff stacked up and had to go. But I'm going to put all the links for as much as I can down below, so go check it out and get you guys some of that. I thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon in the next time. Until then, man, guys, hey, keep it evil, always. Thanks for watching. Number 5, kangaroos.